Everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to another review, that is Viper Supply Store. So if you are curious to know about this store, watch the video till then, because we are going to give you unbiased review on this store. It deals with tactical gears with robot stitching reinforced with RT triple solid stitching. Its hoodies interiors are lined with great fleece to help customers stay warm in extreme weather conditions. Like if you wear gears and hoodies alone or layered, use it as layered system for further warmth as the temperature drops. So, however, before dealing with Vapor Supply, you must check out its real or check out either it's legit or a scam. The registration date of this domain is 22nd June 2021. It is newly registered store. Moreover, the email address which they have mentioned is not matching the domain name, which is not a good sign. On their official portal, they have mentioned their contact details, but they have not mentioned any address as their physical or official address. They are accepting only credit card as their payment modes. The positive point of Viper Supply Store are the store offers various tactical gears. Its gear seems to be tactical and of high quality, and it deals with hunting gear, camouflage apparel, jungle and desert headwears, backpacks, helmets, tents, and many more. As far as customer reviews, the customer may use these tactical gears for various outdoor sports and wild activities. Negative point of Viper Supply Store are the website has launched just 1 month back. Its trust score is just 35%. We were unfortunate to find authentic reviews from social media pages, and as no authentic reviews are available either on the website or on any other portal. So the question is Viper Superstore or Supply Store authentic? As we are checking certain parameters, as we have checked, it is an online tactical gear shopping platform that is with variety of gear and other products for people who love outdoor activities. As we are discussing, as its Alexa rank is very low with poor trust score, that is 35%, no reviews available, domain age and registration is date is recently new. So we can say that it indicates either you are going to wild activities as skiing, mountaineering, desert or any other activity or sport activity, you need these safety gears. But as it is a newly registered website and store, so it's up to you to do your own research and then make a wise decision for shopping. So you may not lose your money at the end, and you may not get scam. And if you have any personal experience of shopping from this store, please do share your personal experience with us.